Why is neem good for you? The Ayurveda system of the Indian heritage describes neem tree as Sarva Roga Nivarini, meaning the cure of all diseases. In the same context, yet another special name given to neem tree is Arishtha, meaning that which relieves from diseases. Ayurveda extensively uses the extracts of neem in different medicinal recipes. All parts of neem, namely the leaves, gum, bark, fruit, seed kernels and seed oils, have so much medicinal value, each of them unique in its own regard. Neem extracts are used in the preparations for both internal use and for tropical applications. In fact, some experts in the traditional medicine call this plant one-tree pharmacy. Down the ages, neem has been closely connected to several home remedies, especially for skin and hair. Benefits of neem tree. Neem can be used for treating dandruff since it has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties. Neem leaf paste is applied on the scalp for treating this condition. Besides remedying dandruff and ensuring a silky hair, neem also cures dryness and itching in addition to strengthening the hair and scalp. Neem has a very strong detoxifying property and therefore it is highly recommended for treating skin disorders. In fact, neem is extensively used in the Ayurvedic formulations prepared for treating a wide range of allergic and skin diseases. Neem can inhibit the growth of bacteria such as Propionibacterium acnes, P. acnes, and Staphylococcus epidermis. Therefore, neem can be depended on for treating acne. Applying neem paste regularly on the face shall help get a radiant and blemish-free face. Neem also has anti-inflammatory properties. Researchers have shown that it can help control acne by controlling P. acnes-induced reactive oxygen species (ROS) and the pro-inflammatory cytokines TNF-A and IL-8. Neem oil is extracted from the neem seeds. Neem oil has strong pesticidal, insecticidal and medicinal properties. Therefore, it is used for pest control, cosmetics and medicines. Neem seed cake is used for soil amendment. When added to the soil, it can enrich it and prevent the nitrogen losses as it can inhibit nitrification. It also functions as a nematicide. During the outbreak of chickenpox, neem paste is directly applied to the skin for some time before bathing. Neem tea can remedy malarial fever. Neem leaves are used for storing grains without the attack of pests, termites and fungus. Ayurveda uses neem to treat fungal diseases and neuromuscular pains. Extracts from neem seed and leaves have strong spermicidal properties and are therefore used as making contraceptives. Neem bark and roots are ground into fine powder and used to treat and control fleas and ticks in pets. External application of this powder on the pets can have immediate effect and the fleas will fall off their skin. The invaluable role of neem in treating a wide range of diseases like diabetes, AIDS, cancer, heart diseases, scabies, eczema, hepatitis, allergies, ulcers and herpes are well recognized in the traditional medicine systems. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.